With our leading-edge ultra-precision technology, we serve optics production with an outstanding commitment to quality and performance. We enjoy innovating in the field, keeping our customers' needs in close and constant view. Ultra-precision made in Germany, with applications in the world, together with our sister companies in Shanghai, China, and New Hampshire, USA. Pushing the boundaries in new materials machining, large-scale ultra-precision, next-level shapes and structures, highest productivity, and above all, unmatched accuracy. We are defining the pace in ultra-precision technology development. We put an emphasis on the smooth interaction of design, mechanics, electronics, and software in one house to develop leading-edge ultra-precision platforms, compatible modules, and inline metrology, finely tuned just as a Formula One race car. Our curiosity drives us to constantly investigate correlations between parts, performance, process parameters, the machine behavior, and the data integrity. Using a laser to preheat infrared optical materials to be cut in a more advanced way is just one example. We are on the continuous move with ongoing product optimizations, the conquering of existing technology boundaries, the exploration of new application fields, and the learning about technology correlations. The only constant in our world is innovation. As to speak, we integrate femtosecond lasers in ultra-precision platforms. We don't shoot for mainstream, but support those who try to be successful in high-tech applications. In our latest example, we push the limits in grinding of diamond tools down below 50 nanometers in waviness. Customer-specific and standard platforms are not a contradiction. Our platforms are extendable with compatible modules to individually enlarge process capabilities, to integrate inline metrology, or just enhanced kinematics. Our nanogrip interfacing is the efficient joining element in our product's toolkit. Our leading technology needs solid backup by supportive processes, procurement, finances, logistics, well defined by ISO 9001 standards. Open space for ideas, efficient realization without bureaucracy overload, fair acceptance of failures, and joint excitement about success in the end is what we appreciate most during our daily work. We are a wild mixture of characters, and that is great. Our unity is about the passion for high tech, in our technology and in your products. We spend an enormous amount of time together during the day and still feel like meeting after work. That's a sign of joy and not of a must. We stand together as a team, being proud of each individual's achievements and contributions, shaping that great technology we develop. Our team is the greatest value that we have. We are happy to share our attitude with you.